Hey everybody, I just wanted to make a video addressing some of the concerns that I've heard in the channel. Because I have not been uploading as much as usual, I've been skipping uploads or doing every other week. And if you saw the title for this video, then you know it's true. I'm quitting YouTube. I started doing YouTube over 6 years ago now, and I started with all kinds of different subject matter, not just freeze drying. I've done building things, and I've done storage units, and I've done auctions, all kinds of different stuff. And really that's kind of the reason why I'm making this switch, is I just have other things to do that have kind of taken my attention to them instead of to YouTube. I will still be freeze drying quite a bit, and our Facebook group and everything will still be up and running. And I figured since we just got over 200,000 subscribers, I just figured that's probably a good time just to call it quits. And there's one other elephant in the room that needs to be addressed, and that is that it's April 1st, April Fool's Day. Surprise, I'm not quitting YouTube. I'm gonna keep freeze drying. I'm gonna keep doing this channel. I will, however, be skipping uploads to every other week, most likely. We have a lot of things going on with freeze drying supplies. We have a lot of things going on just in our personal lives. Over the last 20 years, really our love is real estate investing. So we have been doing that on and off for the last 20 years. We have a place that we're working on right now. It's several hundred miles away. That's been consuming a lot of our time. So, you know, some things just get prioritized differently. And right now, freeze drying is not on the back burner, but it's just pushed aside just a little bit. Really, that's all I have to say. I thought it'd be a funny joke to play an April Fool's joke. I've never done that before on YouTube. I see lots of other people doing it. Some of you probably wish I was going away, but I'm not. I'm here to stay. And I want to really just show my appreciation for everyone who has subscribed to this channel. It's been a long journey, and 200,000 subscribers is no small feat. Lots of late nights, lots of stress, a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, especially in the early days. And YouTube does not pay very well. So I appreciate all of you guys watching. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate your participation in the groups and YouTube and everything that we have to offer. I hope you continue to support this channel, and I hope you have a great April. In the meantime, I will catch you next week. This is Live Life Simple. See you later.